Man, look at this sunset. Riding with Trevor, a little sunset ride. We got monsoons coming from the, I guess from the east. We got the helmet GoPro cam. Trevor 3D printed this device, so we're testing it to see how it'll work out. Look at this beautiful sunset. The time is 7:38, so it's literally just sunset. We'll have probably 25-30 minutes to circle this mountain. I forgot the name of it. You ready to rock and roll? Yeah. All right, safety first. Safety first. No. Trevor is young and fearless. Young and fearless. I am old and safe, I guess. Safety first. Safety first. I'm not wearing my usual elbow pads and knee pads. I guess I got some liquid courage. Since for the last 11 months, I haven't really fallen down. So I'm testing out in this 110-degree weather if I could ride without protection. Yay! Oh. Of course, I picked Phoenix Mountain Preserve, which is known as one of the rockier places, so we'll see if at the end of the day this was a smart decision. Hello. Yeah. So, for those who don't know, I'm riding the Pivot Trail429, and Trevor is riding Specialized. I think it's a stump jumper that he's got. I wonder if we could do some personal bests today, since I don't have elbow pads and knee pads. Kind of makes me go a little bit faster than normal. Less weight to carry, and of course this thing is a climber. Trevor, should I go fast or slow, or how are you doing? I don't give a crap. You don't give a crap. All right, that means we're going sending it today. Sending it. It's ascended time. We're gonna send it. Hashtag send. Full send. This is climbing right now. On the way back, we will be going a little bit more downhill. So this is how we earn our living right here. Woo! Oh, this is nice. Oh, the tire pressure is a little bit low. Very plush feeling right now, which may be good, may be bad. I hope I'm going the right way. I typically don't lead, but we'll see. Let's see if we're going the right way. There. One more. Yep. All right. Thank you. These guys know the etiquette. The guys climbing has got the right of way. Some people don't know that. These guys look like they're pros. riding at 110-degree weather. Thank you. All right. So here we're gonna go this way. I think you can go to the right as well, but hi there, just to us. Hello. All right. Oh, oh, I got the wrong gears. Oh man, look at that sunset. This is gonna be good. About a minute once we cross that hill. Oh, hello. Oh man, I went the hard way. That's all right. Riding tomorrow at 5:30, so I gotta go easy on these legs. Take a little water break. Enjoy that little beautiful sunset right there. A little bit more climbing and then we'll get pay dirt downhill. I don't know if I ever tried that route next time. Maybe I've been doing this for once or twice. Man, this thing climbs really good. All right, Trevor, you got the young legs. This is the young goat. You got a specialized, is a stump jumper? Enduro. Left. Monsoons. Oh, the wind. It is definitely going against our faces here. Trevor, go right. Trevor. Oh, I guess you missed the turn. Yeah, sure. I mean, this thing just climbs up and more or less goes back towards the beginning of our trail. Oh Lord, that's I think I heard that rock.
It was just my tire because I hit my brake.
Yeah, this is it's a little difficult. It's straight up vertical. Yeah, so this will take us back to the parking lot. Obviously there's more trails different ways, but very cool. You can take next left. Whenever you see next left, you can take a left. Very nice. Let's see how we did. 17 minutes, 2.4 miles.
I didn't even drink water this time.